Hello students, today we are going to learn EVS first chapter, the life cycle of animals. What is the lesson name? The life cycle of animals. So let's start. First term is can you tell? Here you have given two pictures. Okay? On that basis you have to give answer of these two questions. Let's read the first question. Look at the puppies and their mother in the picture. Do you see some similarities? They ask me, do you see similarities between young puppies and their mothers? Let's find. I'm going to hide this picture, okay? Now observe the puppies and their mother. Do you see any similarities? Do you see any similarities between the puppies and the mother dog? Yes, there are similarities between puppies and their mother dog. They are similar in their features. They quite look like similar. Their habits also same. Their color also same. And their eating habit also same. Walking habit also same. So they are similar to each others. Okay. There is a question related to second picture. What is the question? First we read question. Look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out the egg. Do you see any similarities? Now look at this picture. Do you see any similarities between caterpillar and the butterfly? Caterpillar is the young one butterfly and butterfly is the mother butterfly. Okay. Do you see any similarities? We didn't see any similarities between caterpillar and butterfly. They are different from each other. Right? Then next is can you tell? Three pictures are given. A hen lays eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Yes, a hen lays eggs and chicks come out those eggs. Right, this is the right term. Do kittens come out of eggs? Do kittens also come out from eggs? Do you think kitten come out from eggs? Yes, no, kitten didn't come out from eggs. They are come out from their mother's tummy. They grow in their mother's tummy, not in egg. Right. The next topic is the growth of animals. A kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and adult cat. What they said, a kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. A kid and the fully grown goat are not very different to look at. Is it right? Yes. They are also quite similar, right? Just like a puppies and the dog. There is not much difference between a kitten and adult cat, right? In kitten and adult cat also similar. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from their mother's tummy, right? Yes, just like a kittens, puppies, lab, calf, they are also grow in their mother's tummy. These animals do not lay eggs. They don't lay eggs. Their kids grow in their tummy. But some animals like crows, spider, lizard lay eggs. Yes, some animals give eggs and their kid come out from their eggs. just like crows, spiders, lizards, and some more also. Did you tell me which animals give us which animals lays eggs? Other examples, can you tell me? Yes, just like hen, then sparrow, crows, then all some birds. Let's learn the next topic. A chicken is born from an egg. A chicken is born from an egg. Is this right? Yes. Let's see what in that term we can learn. Ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. Yes, we not often see their eggs. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. Tiny means so small. We would hardly notice them. That's why their eggs are so small. That's why we hardly notice them. We can't notice them easily. So we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. That's why we didn't have knowledge about that animals lay eggs, just like frog. But we know for sure that a hen lay eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. Hen's egg is bigger inside. That's why we can easily see her eggs. That's why we have a knowledge that hen lay eggs and her chickens come out from eggs. Just like a hen, ducks also lay eggs and her babies also come out from eggs. Right? Next one. In this bracket, you have given a new term. New term means new words in this topic. Hatch. What is the new term? Hatch. When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. Hatching. What is the hatching meaning? When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. That's mean this term is called hatching her eggs. Hen is sitting for warming her eggs, for helping her chickens to come out from eggs. And that term is called hatching. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. What they said, a hen lay eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. When the hen lay eggs, warmth is necessary for. Warmth means heat is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So after laying, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside the slowly keep growing, and after daily to daily giving warming, her chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is complete, the chicks breaks the eggshell and comes out. And after that, inside the egg, when its chicken's growth is complete, the chicks break the eggshell and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. After chicks come out from eggs, the hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Now, do you know when a hen is hatching her eggs, When a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. So she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. Aggressive means possessive, worried about her safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs or little chickens. Use your brain power. Now use your brain power, okay? What are the similarities between the hen and her chicks? Do you see any similarities between the hen and the chicks and what they are? Yes, hen have beak, chicks also have beaks. She have feathers, they are also feathers. Their legs and her chick's legs and her legs also same. Their eating habits also same, right? They eat same type of food. Their voice also same. For today we are stop here. In next EVS period we learn next part of this lesson.